In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your first Etsy store. Whether you're looking to showcase your handmade crafts, vintage finds, or unique goods, setting up your Etsy shop is a great way to reach a global audience. So let's dive right in. The first step is to create an Etsy account. You'll want to head over to the Etsy website at etsy.com or download the Etsy app from your app store. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign In button at the top right corner and click on it. Then select Register. You'll be prompted to enter your email, name, and a secure password to create your new Etsy account. Ensure your login credentials are something you can remember easily or note them down securely. Once you've successfully set up your account, it's time to open your shop. Start by clicking on Sell on Etsy, which you can find in the top right corner of the website. After that, you'll see an option to open your Etsy shop. Follow the prompt, and this is where you get to make some important decisions. Here, you'll choose your shop language, which is often set to English by default, your shop's country based on your location, and the currency you'll be using, such as USD or GBP. Next comes the part where you get to name your shop. This should be something that encapsulates your brand personality within 20 characters. Remember, no spaces are allowed in your shop name. You might want to try something catchy like Cozy Crafts Co. or Luna Art Studio. Aim for a name that's simple, easy to remember, and distinctly brandable. Once your shop is named, it's time to add your first product listing. Click on Add a Listing and start by uploading photos of your product. Photos should be bright, clear, and show your product in a lifestyle setting if possible. Next, you'll need to write a compelling title, ensuring to include keywords that potential customers might search for. Follow up with a detailed description covering the product specifics such as size, color, and materials. You'll also need to set a price and specify the quantity available. Decide whether your product is digital or physical, and finally add tags and categories to make it easier for buyers to discover your item. Now let's set up payments and billing. You'll need to provide your bank account details or a Payoneer account where Etsy will send your earnings. You also have to input a credit or debit card for seller identity verification. Customizing your shop is a crucial step in setting up your online presence. Upload a shop banner or logo that represents your brand.